Geevon 3 thermostat sensors for indoor and outdoor weather station. It comes in a nice small box, it's compact size of a large hand. And what we're going to do is set it up and show you what the product is about. As we open up the box to show you how nicely everything is packaged and laid out, we have the 3 sensors bubble wrapped, size of 2 fingers, a small window, a little keyhole to hang up, and the battery compartment to put in 2 AAA batteries and a switch and a hole. The instruction guide to go over at your leisure, how to use the product. About the multifunctional buttons and the main control panel. All the buttons to use the unit, 4 lines. The unit will take 2 AA batteries, while the sensors take 6 AAA batteries. You'll need 6 AAA and 2 AA not included. Place in your optional 6 AAA batteries and 2 AA's and close up. White on white, this is 1, 2, 3. On the front of the unit, they're marked 1, 2, and 3, and the unit's on a black lettering and clear background with a red indicator. As we angle the unit so you can see the lettering, a close-up shot of the indoor weather station. As the unit sets up, each line will come available shortly. Weather station 1, 2, 3, and the main. Weather stations can be placed in the basement, first floor, second floor, attic, and so forth. Front of the house, middle of the house, back of the house. In the garage, in a storage room, in a refrigerator room. These are temperature humidity controllers. They monitor the area and display to the main station wirelessly. We're temporarily placing ours over here as a stand to monitor the back room. Self-adhesive stickers, magnet stickers, we can monitor by the door. This is not a magnetic unit. It has a keyhole to hang, and we're going to put one in the garage. We're in a good old boiler room that we can place one anywhere imaginable, on the wall, by the boiler, and so forth. We're placing over here. Optional screw to the keyhole, match up, and lock down. Do check online for your indoor and outdoor models. This is the multifunctional button paper. It shows the normal mode, the buttons, alert settings, the memory, view indoor, outdoor, max, minimum, data, and so forth. We're going to view by hitting the memory button, and the first one, readjust by a single short press of the button. We have the alert at the highest level, 158 degrees. And then we could go to the channels, number 2 with the arrow, number 3, main unit, back to number 1. If we want to change the Fahrenheit to Celsius, hold the button down for a number of seconds, all 4 changes. It is a long press to get back to Fahrenheit and Celsius. We want to go to the alert, and we want to get into the alert. We're going to hold the button down. And now we're able to change the alert, as you can see by adjusting. If we want to go to the alert on channel 1, we long press 56.9 and percentage. We want to change channels. We hit the channel. We go to the second one, long press for the alert. We could increase and decrease. You can see the alert symbol. And we're decreasing the alert. Holding it goes down. And when you want to confirm to the next one, the alert, and decrease the percentage. That is how you set up the alert. Number 3, in order to clear and reset, hold the channel button down and we're resetting. The Geevon wireless thermometer weather station for indoor humidity and outdoor under conditions. We have 3 sensors plus the 4th as your station. 4 room temperature sensor and humidity sensor. Monitor each room, plant room, kids room, child's room, wherever you want to monitor temperature and humidity. I hope this is something that you are looking for in a temperature station monitoring system. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.